In the heart of Istanbul, at a world university, discover the science and style of the kitchen. At Bahçeşehir University's Gastronomy and Culinary Arts Department, you explore everything from the history of gastronomy to the cuisines of different countries, from signature recipes to sustainable food systems, and you gain a comprehensive formation in 3 professional practice kitchens, designed so that all students can comfortably work at their own personal stations. You gain brand new experiences in pastry and bakery kitchens. With academic program options in Croatia and Spain, and internship opportunities across Europe, take your goals to a global level. At BAU GastroArt, Scarlatta, and the BAU Coffee Institute, you apply what you have learned in the field. You interact one-on-one with guests, and you prepare for professional life by experiencing professional standards in 5-star kitchens. Bahçeşehir University, a world university in the heart of Istanbul.